This vlog, and today we're in Park Warner.
Great. So guys, it is the day before Madrid, and as you can see, I look a bit not different, but my face is looking weird because I have tan on it, and I have tan on my. Ooh, I need to fix that. But anyway, yeah, and the day before I go to Madrid, so I've just after tanning myself, and then tomorrow morning I have my outfit all laid out because I have to be in my school for 2 in the morning. So I'm going to be waking up at 1, and I'm not going to wash off my tan until I get to Madrid because there's just no point. So I'll get washed off, but I have my outfit all laid out, and my suitcase is downstairs and ready, and then I just have to finish putting all my stuff in my carry-on, like my money, my passport and stuff like that. But then I'll be on my way.
Oh, it's actually, is this for YouTube?
Yes, it's going on YouTube.
Hey, YouTube.
Look at Spain. Oh, sorry, yeah, I remember you didn't want to be. Chloe, do you want to be in it? Rebecca, would you like to explain where we are right now?
We are in
bullfighting arena.
Plaza de Toro, which is the what is it? The plaza for bullfighting.
Good.
It's like Muslim architecture or something like that.
Oh, is it?
Well,
I didn't know
I
that.
listened to the tour guide.
I did.
We're at the Plaza de Toro. Check it out. It's like,
Anyone want? Do you want to go through your names?
I'm Sarah.
I'm Maeve.
I'm Rebecca.
K.E.
Chloe, and yeah, and little Rebecca there. I'm not going to show her head though. Ruth. I'm just going to record because I can't see.
You're not actually seriously doing vlogs.
I am. Seriously. What's my vlog? It's my best friend Abby.
I'm in the vlog. Oh, I'm in the vlog!
Yeah, you're in the vlog.
Yup.
This is actually so high up.
Take a picture.
Oh, that looks sexy outside now. Damn!
Like the cable car.
No. I didn't know it was a thing.
Okay, that's Sam.
It's Batty Pack.
Come on! Run to Chloe! Go on, Kate! Kate, go! Stupid.
As you walk into our room, we have a kitchen
And featuring Maeve.
and it has a sliding door, which is cool.
No, I give up.
Then we have a bathroom with all the things we need in the bathroom. Then we have 2 single beds and a window. My suitcase on the ground. Then we have a table, a sofa bed, and a telly, and then we have our own balcony on the ground.
I don't know how to open.
She can't open it right now, but that's our room.
Hi guys.
This is Maeve. She's not staying in our room, she's in a different room. No. It's morning time. We got fruits from breakfast, and now we're going back to our room to do our hair. Guys, we're on the bus to the Grande Stadium with Rebecca over here.
So weird.
And we're going to trip to tour the stadium, and then we're going to an archaeological museum.
They're like water now. I didn't know they were.
Yeah, and then get attacked by security guards. Morning guys, and it is day 3 of our trip to Madrid. We're going, oh my god, we're going to the zoo today, and then we are going to, where are we going? Shopping. And this is my outfit of the day. With this top with crop top and mom jeans. So yeah. Rebecca, do you want to do your outfit of the day for my vlog?
Oh, thank you.
Do you want to be in my vlog?
No.
Well, I'm staying with Rebecca and Grace currently. Oh my god, the flamingos!
There's something like so white.
What are you saying about me?
That is a lovely picture of me and my friend.
Me yesterday, my house. Oh shit. Go back for 5 minutes. You are my favourite animal.
There. Yeah, I got a good photo.
Oh my god, so big. You can't even see that one in the corner on the camera. Oh my god, you scared me. Can't barely see it because of the glass.
There's, oh my god, Ruth, are you videoing this?
I'm vlogging.
We're vlogging.
Oh, this is vlog. Of course you'd see that.
What?
Oh, the perfect question. You want to go shopping?
Imagine when you get scared. Imagine you get scared. You go, I got to. Oh, it's not America. Oh, it is South America. Okay, a bit higher. Look, them two lads. If I see one more shoe that I like, I'm going to cry.
Zebra.
4 times with me buying 270s.
Zebra and the giraffe.
Very highly.
Oh my god, it's a zebra.
Oh, I'm not taking video. Look at them.
We're at the zoo now. And Rebecca's taking a picture and we're at the giraffe and zebra enclosure.
Hey, you got my picture!
So yeah.
Move! This is vlogging me. Ostrich!
Katie! That is not honest. No, it's an emu. Mara, something else. That was with me. I called my. Look at him, he's proper pose.
Where's the
Space
alpha
they
male?
put.
They're all females.
No, the lad in the middle is a male.
Where's his mane?
He's young male.
You my vlog.
What is he doing?
I have to make a disclaimer, I don't support zoos and aquariums. If people think I do, I don't support them. I just have to come on a school trip here.
But like, it's good because they're like in
Okay, Maeve, stop talking. Oops.
Look, he's gonna do it.
Just chilling under there for a great time.
Yeah. No, anytime today, mister.
Ah, this is like a horrible place for monkeys. It's like a concrete jungle. There's the hippo.
Making the noise. No, they'd stand. Oh, it's better.
Just have to check yourself.
Wait.
Fuck.
Shows it.
The action on the ground.
Wait, 1, 2, 3, go. No, it's back and forward. Wait, there's someone from the Greens there.
We just had food. Here's Elena and Maeve.
Over by the elephants, you know.
And we're going to be going in 10 minutes. Morning guys, so today is the last day, or second last day in Madrid, and we're going to the Warner theme park today. And I'm just getting ready. It's been really good so far, but I'm really tired. Just can't wait to get home, but I'm really enjoying myself as well. So I'm just doing my hair now before I go and wiping my face and sunking mom because it's actually 26 degrees today. So I don't want to get burnt, but I hope you've enjoyed the video so far. And yeah, I'm just gonna get ready.
Yeah. What about you?
Bex, look at my vlog.
If you use that, you're dead. Like, honest God. She looks like she's having a blast. I don't know where you left Kate on.
I'm going to come up to play because I
It's down near the bottom.
This vlog, and today we're in Park Warner.
Great.
So everybody,
You update them.
basically, two people are lost.
Yes.
2 people are lost. One person's lost their phone. Oh no, not their phone, their entire fanny pack, which is great.
No, you can't use that word. You can't use that
Sorry,
word.
bum bag.
Yes, exactly.
2 other people, one that doesn't have a phone and the other who's on the phone, are gone off to look for the people that are gone missing.
One's gone with a Spanish random lad.
Yeah, probably getting like.
No, don't say anything. Anyway, yeah, so we need to wait for them. Good times.
That's great.
And it is really hot out.
Guys, we're on our bus right now and the bus has broken down and our bus driver has left the bus.
No!
So guys, our bus has broken down leaving the theme park, so we are stuck in a bus that has no air conditioning and it's sweltering and everyone is super hot and I have no water and I've asked everybody and no one has given me water. So I'm very thirsty, you know, and it's a bad situation.
This makes me really want to go to Spain, right? The sky looks so much bluer on my phone than it used to be like this. Then we're behind a window. Do you want to say anything to the vlog?
Am I in it now?
Yeah, you're in it right now. Oh my god, we're gonna fall out of this boat and we're gonna die.
On our way. I can't reach. Stop moving the boat. Just go back. I can't reach it. Let me in the middle. Oh yeah, right there.
Oh my god, this is like terrifying. Oh my god, well yeah, let's stop leaning over.
Because yours is in wrong.
How's mine?
And I tried to change it.
Yeah, they're both meant to be the same way. Oh, now we're going somewhere.
That's what we
Go.
Okay, not too far hard there. I don't want to die. Oh, Connor, stop leaning on the side. If I go in this water, I'm going to pull you with
We
me.
need to get out far enough because I want a picture of me.
You want a picture of you?
Oh, okay. Oh, shit.
Doesn't matter.
Emily shared an innocent video of me.
No. We're on the middle of a lake right now in Madrid. And it's the last day. And I can't swim. No, well, no, I can swim, but like, I don't want to get wet, you know? You look happy, Chloe.
So happy. Wait, do I just roll about further? Yeah.
Just sit here like, taking the view.
Okay. Wait, what way are we going first? This way. Okay, right, go.
Around here, there used to be a palace that was called El Palacio del Buen Retiro.
Chloe, you're ruining my view.
She's a poor. You have no idea. Let's do it.
Right, I'm gonna have to put music over this one now.
No. My phone.
It's grand, I'll just edit you out of that.
Aww.
You're in my vlog enough as it is, so you're fine.
You could edit me
You
out
took
of
me
it.
out of your vlogs.
Oh, I wonder who took me out of.
Fuck you, you just
What is?